What's up guys? Ngayong araw humuli niyo ako samahan na mag-react sa pinakabagong cover song ng banda Mission Souls. Ito yung kanta ni Natalie Imbruglia, yung Turn. Ayan, sikat na sikat tong kanta na to noon guys. Panigurado ilan sa inyo alam tong kanta na to, nakaka-relate dito sa kantan to. Ayan, wag na natin pagtagalin pa. Sama-sama tayo manood, makinig at mag-react. Swabe ng tunog ng acoustic ni Stacy, no? Napakalinis. Tsaka yung drums ni Ice, yung rim shot. Sarap pakinggan.
I thought I saw a man brought to life. He was warm, he came around like he was dignified. He showed me what it was to cry.
Ganda ng boses ni Mami Sheena.
Well, you couldn't be that man I adore. You don't seem to know, seem to care what your heart is for. But I don't know him anymore. There's nothing where he used to lie. My conversation.
Yun, no? Ang lupit no nung bassline ni Daddy Second dito. May napanood akong nag-interview kay Daddy Second sa buong banda Mission Souls. Talagang bass pala yung kanyang specialty sa instrumento.
Run dry. That's what's going on. Nothing's right, I'm torn. I'm all out of faith. This is how I feel. I'm cold and I'm ashamed, lying naked on the floor. Illusion never changed into something real.
Napaka-smooth nung backup nila Stacy dito kay Mami Sheena. Si Stacy, si Naces, tsaka si Nisha.
I'm wide awake and I can see the perfect sky is torn. You're a little late, I'm already done. So I guess the fortune teller's right.
Yun, no? Merong pakitang gilas din si Nisha dito, no? Nagtunog distortion na yung kanyang gitara.
You should have seen just what was there and not some holy light. But you crawled beneath my veins and now I don't care, I have no luck, I don't miss it all that much.
Gustong gusto ko yun yung ginagawa ni Daddy Second. Galing.
There's just so many things that I can't touch, I'm torn. I'm all out of faith. This is how I feel. I'm cold and I'm ashamed, lying naked on the floor. Illusion never changed into something real. I'm wide awake.
Katimbre din ni Mami Sheena yung vocalist ng Torn, si Natalie.
I can see the perfect sky is torn. You're a little late, I'm already
Solo artist yata to si Natalie pala, no? Yung Torn pala yung pamagat nung kantan to.
There's nothing where he used to lie. My inspiration has run dry. That's what's going on. Nothing's right, I'm torn. I'm all out of faith. This is how I feel. I'm cold and I am shamed. Lying.
Isa to sa mga na-cover nila na napakaswabe nung tugtugan. Nagsimula sa acoustic. Tsaka yung tugtugan nila dito, balaan silang lahat. Walang, mas nangingibabaw pa nga yung acoustic, ano. Kaya sarap pakinggan, natural.
Naked on the floor. Illusion never changed into something real. I'm wide awake and I can see the perfect sky is torn. I'm all out of faith. This is how I feel.
Madalas tinutugtog to sa mga bar, no? Sa mga live band. Ay, panalo to. Gumamit ng glass dito si Nisha sa adlib. Galing. Plakado. Galing. Galing ni Nisha. Wala talaga imposible dito kay Nisha pagdating sa kanta, no? Sa pagsipra ng mga adlib. Napaka-talented talaga ng Banda Mission Souls. Grabe. Ayan guys, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa Banda Mission Souls, andyan po sa ating description yung kanilang channel. Suportahan natin at panoorin yung kanilang mga napakagagandang video. Ayan, kita-kits ulit tayo sa mga susunod pang reaction video.